Yes, you can. You can install a fire pit on composite decking, but it's like any other surface. Fire's hot. Fire burns stuff. So you need to separate it in some way, shape, or form from it. I wouldn't put a solid concrete or paver fireplace on top of it. It'll scratch your deck unless you're leaving it there forever. Your deck can move over time slowly. I would say that you'd want to have some sort of fire retardant down so that pieces come off of your fire, and the decking's not impervious to heat. It's fire, so it will melt it if you get something hot enough on it. But absolutely, you can put fire pits on there. You just have to make sure that above the fire pit is not going to burn something. It's not too close to the house, not too close to your furniture. All the normal stuff that fire burns stuff, and it includes your deck. So you must have something down there to prevent it from damaging it. They would burn equally. Maybe the wood would burn a little easier, but I wouldn't. I definitely, personally, wouldn't think about that. You're going to protect both of them equally from burning embers and scratches and things like that of your fire pit on top of it.